Digital equity is a global issue that impacts our community of Vista, California in a significant way. In order to bridge the digital divide, we need to make digital equity a priority in our community. Digital equity is defined as equal access and opportunity to digital tools, resources, and services to increase digital knowledge, awareness, and skills. The problem is that families in Vista have some form of connectivity, but many are underconnected, with mobile-only access and inconsistent connectivity. Vista serves 22,000 students, 60% include our Hispanic students. 6,000 of that 60% are learning English as a second language.
Another way to help improve digital equity is to make sure that community members know how to find and use digital resources. There are multiple resources that community members can take advantage of, and many of these resources are free. The key is to be informed. The first thing I looked for was free Wi-Fi. I found out that free Wi-Fi hotspots are available in places like restaurants and coffee shops. Most of these locations require you to purchase food or drinks to have access to Wi-Fi. For guaranteed free Wi-Fi, you can go to a public library, courthouse, or even a city hall. The App Store has made it easier to find free Wi-Fi by downloading an app called Wi-Fi Finder. This helps you locate Wi-Fi connectivity within our city and even lets you know if the Wi-Fi is free or if there is a cost involved. Although there are options for Wi-Fi in our city, connectivity is inconsistent. Our school district recognizes this and is working on options to improve this problem. My principal has taken on the challenge of improving connectivity for all families in our school, and he's doing it in a creative way.
So at Rancho Minerva, internet access is important for our families because we want our students to be connected with always available technology, meaning that 24/7 they have the access to the internet so that they can create content, they can access things that they need to, the resources that they need to, and to be able to be digitally responsible citizens, both here at school and outside of school. So we knew that if we could tap into community areas within our community, places where our students are familiar with, places where their families could come in and have a common area, and if we put our Vista Unified Wi-Fi into those areas, that we would have a connected student. And so the way that we did that was I gathered all of the addresses, did a query of all of our students' home addresses, and used a website called GeoBatch. GeoBatch is a website that will map out all of the addresses that you input into a database. And so with that, we were able to then look at common areas where our students reside and have narrowed in on probably 3 or 4 areas where if we again could connect our students and connect those community centers within that zone, we'll have always available technology.
Since most parents didn't grow up with today's technology, it can be hard to see eye to eye with your child, let alone help with homework. Another step in improving digital equity is for children to teach their parents and grandparents how to effectively use 21st century digital tools. Teaching tech to the older generation is important so that they can understand how to be competitive in today's world. Some of these skills include understanding search engines like Chrome and Safari, how to use smart search on the internet using Gmail, and using apps to check the weather, get directions, and even buy coffee with just a swipe of your screen. When children play an important role in teaching their families technology, it helps bridge a digital divide and brings families within our communities closer together.
If our school districts makes an investment to increase digital tools and connectivity for its 22,000 students and families, our city is well on its way for improving digital equity for all.